Hey, what's up guys? Welcome again to another educative tutorial, and today I'm going to show you on how to style a side ponytail on short dreadlocks by interlacing parallel twist lines. Welcome guys. Alright, welcome guys. Remember that this is gonna be part 1 of my styling. Part 2 of my styling, I'm gonna show you on how to attach extension, that is temporary extension, and style the same. So welcome guys. Alright guys, as I have highlighted the other time we dealt with sections, this time round I'm gonna combine the whole part coming up with that side ponytail. So that way guys, you just pick strands, leaving behind strands at the middle. That way. You leave strands at the middle. Mind the spacing guys, you should give your style a touch of style by making sure the spacing is kinda equal. Up to that point guys. Now I'm gonna secure my barrel twist line at this particular point. Now you can have a look guys what we have just done. This is the first barrel twist line. Now we will be using these strands to interlace, just to give our style a touch of style by introducing some creativity in our styling. That way guys, I'm going to pick strand from the second section, that is the second row from this one. We are going to leave behind this section, that way. You see, just make sure the lines are kind of straight. Try it as much as possible. You can have a look on these lines which are going upwards, as well as my lines which are coming from downward, that is, which are coming downwards. Just try and put all factors into consideration as you style backwards to that point. After reaching this point guys, now I'm going to secure my barrel using yarn. Alright guys, we have made 2 sections. Now after reaching this particular area guys, you realize that our strands are kind of longer because we are picking strands from this far end. So I'm going to chip in some creativity. That way guys, we are going to interlace twice the strands, coming up with a look which is kind of a basket. And so guys, this is the way to go about it. You just pick strands like that. Let this strand go over one and under one, like this, bringing another touch of style. That way, you see. This one will come over this, to come under this, that way. I'm gonna pick this strand here. Alright, now look guys, at times you might find that the log strands are in organic parting, that is there are no lines which you can follow. So by interlacing the strands guys, you need to chip in your creativity, and you should know where to pick and where to let go. So that way guys, I'm going to pick this strand here, and since I don't want to leave a gap here at this particular area, I'll have to pull this strand backwards and hook it on this particular strand. That way guys, it's just creativity guys, just to come up with a pattern that is kind of pleasing. You see, that way, that. Then you pick this strand here. Then as usual, I'm gonna go over one, under one, like that. So guys, if you are new here, if you are new on my channel guys, kindly subscribe, like my work, leave a positive comment, and stay locked for more tutorials to come. Remember guys to chip in your creativity in order to avoid leaving behind gaps. So by doing that guys, as we have done on this particular area, we are going to repeat the same here. I'm gonna pick this strand, let it pass here, just to avoid leaving a gap at this particular area. That way guys, pick this strand here and continue with your journey. That way. Remember guys, we promised to bring more tutorials as pertains to short dreadlocks, so I will be giving as many tutorials as possible. So guys, just stay locked, invite your friends to subscribe to my channel. Let's keep on learning together guys. Alright guys, now this is a lovely look to our beginners. You can have a look on how I've positioned my signed pony on my short dreadlocks. That is my ponytail comes immediately behind the ear, and it's kind of side swept, now bringing out that girlish taste. Being side swept guys, it means my side ponytail doesn't come to the back, it's placed just at the side behind the ear. Now guys, I hope it has been educative tutorial to our beginners. You can go around as you have a look on how our style looks like, and then I wanna request you to stay locked on the channel, because I will be bringing another tutorial of the same by attaching a temporary extension on this particular part. So let's go around as you have a look on what we have just done. And that's how our style looks like, guys. It's amazing. That's how you interlace the lock strands to get this side swept ponytail, which now brings out that taste of girlish, as well as observing all factors when it comes to styling. So wow, guys, it's a nice look to our beginners. That's how you can style short locks, guys, on different fashions. This is a nice style, guys. You can try it out. Thank you guys for watching. Like my work, comment. Let's meet in the next tutorial, part 2 of this. Welcome.